Huge round of applause, come on. Now what's that? Can you hear it? I think I can. It's the sound of the underground.
What's a cosplay?
Oh, well, cosplay, it's a hobby where you can dress up as your favorite characters, like Kissy Kissy Mew from your favorite shows.
A show? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my first edition of Lover's Dating Show.
What does that do with cosplay?
Absolutely nothing.
Screw this. I don't see.
Oh, Alphys, Alphys, you're my main star. You wonderful, bright, sparkling young thing. You just need to entertain my wonderful viewers with a date, a spectacular date unlike any other that's ever been seen. Besides, I need to find you a suitable date, and I will be awful.
Awful? Awful? I'm the best damn date you'll ever see. She can tin can. I'll show Alphys the best damn date you'll ever see.
My dress? It's for special occasions, like a new episode of Mew Mew Kissy Kitty last night. She bought through a huge army.
So you just not share? And probably into the cafe once. Or just ignore, you know? Hey, whatever makes you happy. Ooh, actually sounds. Would you like to be part of my dating show? Wink. Oh, I think I'm doing this well. That means I'm exactly right at every angle.
Shut up.
Oh, and excellent. What about this? In certain sexual harassment cases, things can get kind of checked. Do you get the other point? Enough! My viewers are getting bored. Let's stop the show.
Mettaton doesn't know. Well, we can. We're already part of the show, you know.
You what? What kind of show? I gotta look cool.
I've heard of this. It's so called Omake in Amecon, right? Show? What? I'm so jealous. This shouldn't happen. I would let it happen by my bed.
Well, I want to watch more nerds to do their thing. Maybe there will be a Kissy Kissy Cutie skit or something. Well, doodle.
What? You're in! There's a noise here up there!
Yeah. Pretty sure Amecon was around with you.
Wait, a Mettaton now. It's conventional about me and this.
Screw this. Alphys wants a damn show. I'm sick of you whining.
You guys hear about the performance with microphone issues? The feedback was awful.